So the Secure Act has been around for a little while now, okay? And the IRS just recently issued proposed regulations. Up until this point, after the Secure Act was passed, people believed that this 10-year rule, meaning that if you inherited an IRA and you're not one of the eligible designated beneficiaries, you had to take out the IRA within either a 5-year period or 10-year period. Typically, it was a 10-year period. And that they had interpreted these rules to mean that whatever that time period was, let's just run with the 10-year period, was that you didn't have to take out any amount within years 1 through 9, but you had to fully take out the IRA in year 10. That was the drop dead date, okay? And so what people were doing was just taking out whatever amount they wanted to in years 1 through 9, and that seemed pretty reasonable based on a fair reading of the code. But now the proposed regulations state that you actually have to take out some amount within years 1 through 9, and then whatever's left over in year 10, you have to take out all of it. And so that is huge for people that are dealing with IRAs, because if you had John Doe who gave you an IRA back in 2021 or something like that, well, guess what? You've already missed a year, possibly, because you were operating under the old rule, or old belief, that you didn't have to take out anything, and you might have missed a required minimum distribution under the new rules. And so, what does that mean for people? Who knows? It could mean that there's a penalty. You could take a particular position and say that I don't care what the proposed regulations say. I believe this is accurate. But we at least know that the IRS believes that you should have taken out something, and you may need to deal with, possibly a catch-up distribution or something like that. And maybe you need to talk to your CPA or tax attorney to help you get out of any possible penalties that may be associated with it.